This is a preview of the upcoming features in the Synthesize Toolkit. So I'm going to start with face to mass. I'm going to convert those faces into masses. Just search for face to mass and edit the input. Select the faces, finish, and play. Next, show mass mode, edit the family, and you have separated these faces into other family. So let's create a level here. Let me change the units to meters. And I'm gonna draw an S-Spline, and that's gonna be a bridge, for example. Simply go to beta and you're gonna see complex Dynaform complex T-surface bridge by pick faces. Open it or edit the inputs. Of course, those scripts will be more recommended that you run it from inside Dynamo, but for just the sake of testing, I'm gonna do it quickly. Face and face, then the curve, and just click on play. Here you go. You have a smooth bridge. Of course, I can have a more radius range. For example, let me say 3 meters. Okay, 3 meters fail. Let's say 2 meters. 2 meters is big enough, and maybe 1 meter might be enough. And of course, I can actually rotate or twist. So something like this, and the options are infinity. Of course, I can still do multi bridges. For example, I've copied these lines, and the others are this way. The other bridge is this way, and I'm gonna choose it, and maybe a radius range by 5 with a rotation. Okay, so I'm gonna have to nudge it a bit down here. Okay, so 5 is huge for both faces, so 3 might be enough. So that's the point of these scripts. It's gonna be dozens of new scripts that do dozens of awesome organic stuff, so this is just the beginning. Enjoy!